What you doing, buddy? Did you pull yourself up? Yeah, did you pull yourself up? You're so big. My little buddy's so big. Yeah. Now what are you gonna do? Let's not get fancy. Are you trying to get fancy? Take your time. Where do you think you're going to? Can't go upstairs unless Mommy or Daddy take you upstairs.
Okay.
Yeah, you're getting so big. Uh-oh, Binky down. What are you gonna do? You can do it. Think about it. You can do it. Problem solving at 8 months. Good job, buddy. Good job. Very good job. All right. Can I get a pound? No? Boop. Boop. Good job.
Click, click.
Click, click, click. Click, 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 click. Mommy's so glad to be home. I missed you these last few days. Yeah. Click, 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 click. Okay, gotta go to school, alright? Let's go see Miss Samina and Miss Chang and Jacob and Lola and Gage. Yeah. Yeah. Okay.